If you're on a relaxer stretch and feeling discouraged, this video is for you. I am 14 months post relaxer and I am sharing the exact tips that help me to stay consistent and grow healthy hair. Hey sis, welcome and welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, this is my hair dry at 14 months post relaxer. No edits, no filter, just real results. A lot of people think stretching this long means breakage, thin ends, or even unmanageable new growth. But as you can see, everything is blending and my hair is thriving. I have stayed consistent with gentle care, moisture, and protective styling, and that consistency is what made this stretch possible. So if you're on a relaxer stretch, feeling discouraged, or wondering if it's even worth it, keep watching because I am about to share exactly what helped me to get here. So right now my hair is super dirty as I took down my protective styles yesterday. So today I'm going to give my hair some TLC as it's long overdue. So here guys, I'm just trying to show you my hair texture. As you guys can see, I have very kinky, curly texture, like a 4C texture. So I don't want anybody come on here and telling me, oh, my hair could never grow like that, or I could never have long hair or thick hair or healthy hair because my hair is 4C or my hair is too curly, too hard, too rough, too this, too that. I don't want to hear all the excuses, guys, because I have the most curly, kinky texture possible. So it's nothing more than a 4C texture. Okay, sis. So the first thing I do on wash days when stretching my relaxer, especially if I have a lot of new growth, is sectioning my hair. And depending on how much new growth I have, I will section in 2 or 3. But today I am sectioning into 4 because I do have a lot. And when you're sectioning your hair, please be as gentle as possible because you may have some knots and you don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage. So sectioning your hair on wash day is so important, especially when you're stretching your relaxer because you're dealing with 2 different texture at once, guys. Your new growth and your relaxed ends need different level of care. And sectioning helps you to detangle gently, apply products evenly, and avoid unnecessary pulling or breakage. When you rush through your wash day, that's when tangles, knots, and snapping ends happen. Being gentle and patient protects your length, keeps your hair manageable, and makes it easier to retain the growth you're working so hard for. Okay, sis, so the next thing I do, I always detangle my hair before washing. Detangling your hair before washing is one of the most important steps in preventing breakage, guys, especially if you're stretching your relaxer. When your hair is dry or slightly moisturized, you can gently remove shed hairs and knots without the weight of water causing extra tension. I hope you guys are writing down these stuff because these stuff are important, guys, and these will also help you a lot on your hair growth journey. So the next thing I like to do as well, before I wash, I always treat my hair with my Henderson Organics Herbal Infused Repair and Nourish Strengthening Treatment because I learned that pre-treating is key when you're stretching a relaxer. This blend is packed with powerful ingredients like aloe vera for moisture, hibiscus to strengthen strands, rosemary and onion to support healthy growth, okra for slip and easy detangling, and fenugreek to reduce shedding, and also shibi powder to help retain length. So whenever I use this treatment before washing, it softens my hair, loosen tangles, strengthen my weak areas, and also protect my ends from breakage. So if you're serious about maintaining length, improving manageability, and keeping your hair strong during a long stretch, this is definitely a step you will want to add to your routine, guys. So how you want to apply this treatment, you want to make sure your hair is sectioned into small parts, as well as spritz your hair with some water. You guys see that I did that earlier in the video, and then you apply the treatment to your hair. And you want to make sure you start from the roots. Make sure you get it on the roots as well because it's also good for scalp care. and work your way all down to the ends. Make sure every single strand get this treatment, because this treatment is going to really go in and help you so much and make your wash day routine a lot easier. So here I'm just showing you guys the amount of new growth that I have. As you guys can see, I have so much new growth. This is just crazy, guys. This is just 14 months, and as you guys know, I'm experiencing a lot of shrinkage. So you know, even what you're looking at, I have even more new growth. And as you can see, this treatment just went in and my hair is just sucking up all of it. So now I'm just showing you guys, I have some split ends, and I was just kind of measuring out how much and do I need to cut off. But I'm not going to cut my hair today, but I will be getting a trim on my relaxer day. So I know I do need a trim, but I always get a trim on relaxer day. So I'm going to continue to add the treatment to my entire head. Oh, also, don't worry, guys, I got you. If you're interested in this treatment, which I highly recommend, I will put the link in my description box below so you can go ahead and get yourself one of these, guys. I promise you, your hair is going to love it and you're going to be thanking me. Also, guys, you know what I really want to know? Let me know in the comment section. How many inches of new growth do you think I have? I'm so curious to hear what you guys think. So one more tip that have made a huge difference for me on wash day is saturating my hair with warm water before applying my shampoo. Letting the hair fully soak in for a minute opens the cuticles slightly, softens the hair, and allows the shampoo to cleanse without excessive rubbing. So this just helps to reduce tangling, helping products to spread evenly and prevent that rough stripping feeling after shampooing. I know it's a simple step, but I promise you guys, it keeps your hair calmer, softer, and easier to manage, especially if you're stretching your relaxer. So to wrap this up, healthy hair comes down to consistency, patience, and using the right techniques and products to truly support your journey. Everything that I shared today is part of what helped me to successfully stretch my relaxer for 14 months while keeping my hair strong and thriving. So sis, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next, because I am launching our 90-day hair growth challenge very soon. And it is designed to help you stay consistent, learn proper routines, and see real progress in your hair. I can't wait to grow with you, so hit that subscribe button and get ready to join the challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.